How's it going, guys? It's Kevin from Subispeed, and it is the last month of the year, which also means it's time for the last new products video of the year. If you guys haven't already done so, be sure to click that subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on any new install videos, product reviews, and coverage of any of the events that we go to. Also visit our website and click on that new products tab so you can see all the new products that we are constantly adding. It's been a great year so far, so let's check out what we've got for this month. Right off the bat, we're starting off with a great gift idea for any Subaru enthusiast. These are the limited edition Subaru RC Cars. They're a 1/18 scale, available in either Travis Pastrana's or David Higgins liveries, and they feature four-wheel independent suspension as well as all-wheel drive, and they can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. I was actually messing with this one a little bit earlier, drifting it around in the warehouse and taking it on some jumps, and it was a pretty good time. Originally, those were made for just Subaru employees, I believe, but now they're available to the general public in limited quantities, so we only have 50 of each. So if you want to pick up one for yourself, you're going to want to order sooner rather than later. Now, moving on, we have a new lineup of products all the way from Australia from Flow Designs. We have pretty much a whole kit installed on our blue WRX here, so they have things varying from front splitters, side skirts, rear spats, and rear diffusers, as well as extensions and winglets for those parts as well. If you're looking for an inexpensive and easy way to change your exhaust note this month, we've got the Blox Muffler Deletes. As the name suggests, these are going to delete your heavy stock mufflers and give you 3.5-inch dual tips that are going to give you a louder, more aggressive exhaust tone. Next on the list, we have some new products from OLM, starting out with their Midnight Edition LED fog lights. So whether you're looking to upgrade your OEM fog lights or you have a base model and you're looking to add fog lights to your car, these are going to be a great choice for you to get some more light out in front of you on the road. Then we have their 35-watt and 55-watt dual power HID kit that's available in either a 5000K or 6000K output. The main purpose of this is to be able to use that higher wattage when you need more light output when you are using your high beams. The third product from OLM, which is probably going to be their most popular product of this month, is their brand new Nightbar F1 style rear brake light. This is a brand new design that features a running light that surrounds an F1 style brake light, and you can easily turn that F1 blinking off if you want to by simply stepping on the brake and turning your lights on and off 3 times. There's 4 different colorways to choose from. You can either go with a clear lens with either a red or white bar, or a smoke lens with red or white bar. Last up for OLM, we have their carbon fiber style door handle protectors. Now, there's a tendency when you reach in to open your door for your nails to scratch the paint behind the door handle, so these help prevent that. They install super easy. You just peel off the backing, stick them in place, and you're set. For those of you with a push-to-start button in your car, we have the Subaru JDM Red push-to-start cover, which transforms your regular old button into a vivid JDM red button. It also has the cutout for the light to shine through so you don't lose that function. Moving right along, we have some FashionFab wheel spacers. These are all hub-centric, and you've got 5mm, 20mm, and 25mm to choose from. So whether you just need a little bit more brake clearance or you want to bring your stock wheels out more flush with your fender, these are going to get the job done. If you're looking for the perfect access port mount for your car this month, Dialed Mounts has come out with their new defroster vent dock. So if you're tired of the sticky mount that comes with your access port continuing to fall off, this installs securely in place of your defroster vent, turning it into the perfect access port dock. Last up for the WRX and SCI side of things, we have the Cobb Tuning Aluminum Radiator Shroud. This is made out of high-grade aluminum with a black powder-coated finish, and it's not only going to clean up your engine bay, it's also going to help direct more air into your radiator. Moving over to the Forester side of things, we've got 2 new products for you, one being the Raised Graham Lights 57 DRs in a glass black finish. These are in an 18x9.5 plus 35 fitment, and they weigh in at 20.85 pounds. The second product is the GCS Matte Black Trunk Emblem. So if you're tired of the chrome emblems on the back of your car, these are a direct replacement. For you BRZ guys out there, we've got in some new Spec D taillights available in 2 different colors. You've got a red lens with chrome housing as well as a clear lens with black housing. They have a sequential turn signal function built in that you can turn off with a switch in the back, and they're basically plug and play. All you have to do is transfer over the wiring harness from your 2013 to 2016 taillights, and they plug right in. And that pretty much wraps it up for this month, guys. If you liked what you saw, check out the links down below. I also want to mention that we are doing a giveaway of a set of Subispeed V1 taillights, as well as a free oil change. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it up above. We will be announcing the winner next Tuesday, so be sure you enter before then. I also want to thank you guys for watching all the new products videos that we put out this past year. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw, and I plan on continuing this series next year, maybe changing up the structure a little bit. But if you guys have any suggestions at all, leave them in the comment section down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest videos. But I'll see you guys next time.